My name's Nigel.
His name's Nigel. He has no idea at all what he's doing. Today we're going to be doing a heap of car stuff. Lots of blah blah, blah blah, blah car stuff.
And first on the list of car stuff was getting the fenders back on, or at least the one with the dry paint. We worked out all the tricks and hidden fasteners, and while some of them are a little bit fiddly, it didn't take too long. The new impact wrench, bought because we got jealous of Nico's last time, made things nice and easy, and also makes the right kind of noises. Although sometimes you can't get it into the right place and just have to go back to the old trusty spanners.
Are you happy with the position of that? Alright, so what I need is another left hand. Yes. Maybe a couple of the good.
Nice. It's starting to look like a car again. Next up was refitting the re-webbed seatbelts. We didn't want to cut any corners when it came to safety, so these had to be done by people that knew what they were doing.
And that, I believe,
As opposed to me.
goes in there.
With the seat belts in and working properly, it was time to refit the interior carpets and then bolt the trim back in. The next thing to do was attend to the boot, and probably the most important thing in the car. Rhubarb and almond with a hint of rose water. Yet again, magnificent. Thanks once more, Lynn.
Nah.
Then it was time for the seats. Made easy with the impact wrench. Interior sorted. Now that the paint had dried, it was time to fit the left fender.
A bit of wiggle. I think we should pull this one down.
The paintwork on this fender is only temporary, as I still need to get a bit of filler onto the rust repair, but it's good enough for the moment.
On yet.
You blinky.
Blinking lights.
Next up, reinstallation of the bonnet, which involved a fair bit of fiddling to get the panel gaps right.
You're going to have to lift and stuff around for the next hour.
Again, it will need some work later to get it perfect, but it could be worse. Moving down the list, indicators. These hadn't been on the car when we got it, and that's my excuse.
That's not right.
Working. Yep, park lights, headlights. Woo, they're winking at me.
Working like a boardroom. The last thing was to put on the controversial front plate mount that we had fabricated.
Alright, it's going under its own power. Things are looking pretty good. Fenders are on. We may have a problem with the clutch that we have to work out, but we'll have a look at that next week. But so far, so good. See ya.